Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sabrina. In today's video, I'll be doing an updated version of my everyday makeup routine. So don't go nowhere, the video is starting right now. First thing we're going to do is apply primer on the face. Make sure you apply all over the face. Don't use too much and don't use too little. Just enough so it can be good. Now we are moving on into foundation. I'm using the little MAKIAGE in shade 155. I'm just using my finger to apply it all over the face. I'm using a brush to apply the foundation on my face instead of a beauty blender. Make sure guys to take your time, apply the foundation everywhere that it's needed around your hairline. Don't forget to apply some in your neck as well, it's very important. Sometimes your neck area tends to be a bit darker than your face, so that's why it's important to apply a little bit of foundation there so it can match with your face. I went back in the foundation. I apply a little bit more because I do have dark spot in my cheeks and I didn't want them to show, so it's important to use a full coverage foundation, especially if your skin is not all the way clear. I take time to apply the foundation on my face because I want it to look very nice and smooth, so I would suggest you do the same. The more time you take to apply the foundation in your face, the nicer it come out to look. Now I'm going to pop up my lashes. If you want to learn how to put lashes, I will leave a link in the description down below to my other video showing you how to do it. Alright guys, we're almost done. Before we finish, we're just gonna add a little bit of highlight into this cheekbone to give you the glow, to complete the look. We don't need too much, just a little bit, because remember, this is a simple makeup we're doing. It's like an everyday go-to makeup. For this part, you can use your hand or brush, doesn't really matter, it's totally up to you. So just add a little bit of highlight into the nose. I'm using my hand to blend the highlight in my cheek so it can look a bit more natural. We're moving into my lips. This part you don't have to do that part. It's just something that I like to do. I like to use my eyebrow pencil to create a line on my lips, and then afterwards I'll be adding some gloss just to to give it a bit of definition. If you want, you can use another lip gloss or lipstick. You don't specifically have to do that part. That's just something that I like to do. Now we're going to spray your face with some setting spray so the makeup could last all day. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.